Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Taptap Send. Firstly, you'll need to download their app. You can do this either by clicking the link in the description box below or by visiting the Google or Apple app stores. Once downloaded, we need to open an account. This is pretty straightforward and you can either choose to log in with Google or Apple or enter your details manually. I'm going to tap sign up and fill in my name, email address, password, and enter my mobile number. Taptap Send will then send you a code that you need to enter to confirm your number. Once logged in, you can click this button in the top left-hand corner to open the menu. Here you can pay for bills such as airtime, manage your account and payment methods, and if you click settings, you can toggle this button so you can use your Face ID or fingerprint to log in. I'll enable this because it just makes logging in so much easier. Now to start sending money, we just return to the homepage and begin by choosing our receiver or recipient's country. For the sake of this video, I'm going to select India. Now at the top, we can see the exchange rate we're receiving, and because I'm in the UK, I have GBP, but this may be different for you depending on where you're located. And we can also now enter the most important detail. That's the amount we wish to send. You can either enter this in your currency or in your recipient's. For the sake of this video, I'll enter £500. Pay attention to this number because this is how much our receiver will be getting, so make sure you're happy with this. Also, you can now add a promo code. If Monito has any available right now, I'll make sure to put them in the description box below, so make sure to check. If you're happy with this, then click next. Now we need to enter your recipient's details, so tap add new recipient. First, we choose the payout method. This may differ depending on where you're sending to. For example, if you were to select the Philippines, your list would look like this. However, I chose India, so I have these two options, and in this case, I'm just going to select bank account. From here, we enter their full name and then select their bank from this drop-down list. You can enter the name to quickly find it or scroll down till you see the one you need. Once that's selected, we have to enter and confirm their bank account number. And because I'm sending money to India via bank transfer, I also have to enter the IFSC code. Again, what you see here may differ depending on your country and payout method. If you're happy with the details you've entered, then tap next. Because of the type of transfer I'm making, I also have to enter my recipient's year of birth and my home address. Now it's time to fill in our payment details, and I strongly recommend using a debit or prepaid card for this type of transaction. That's because if you used a credit card, it would be considered a cash advance and your provider would likely charge you a fee. Once you've entered your details, you can tap save, but this doesn't mean you're going to be charged. That's going to happen shortly when we confirm the transfer. We also need to enter our date of birth. This is just part of anti-money laundering regulation, and it's actually pretty standard when you have to send money. Now you can see a summary of your transfer, and here, if you're happy with this, then we can confirm and tap pay with card. Once that's complete, you can check the status by going to the menu and selecting transfer history. For the transfer I just made, you can see that it says verification needed. This isn't something to worry about and is pretty standard when it comes to sending money. So I'm just going to tap upload ID, select passport, then take a picture of my ID and also a selfie. Once that's verified, your transfer is done and it will be processed. Hope you found the video useful. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, just comment below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Goodbye.